We have with us Mr. Amit, who is from Aggreko. I just wanted to ask him, how is cooling important for the mining industry?
Oh yeah. So as you see, the ambient temperature has been increasing, and the people working underground in mines are struggling to work in very hot environments. So it is very important for the for the people and for the workforce working in underground, and for the equipments. So equipments are regularly failing, and the mines operators are losing productivity. So it's very very critical to have the ambient temperature and the on the lower side, and to have the cooling for the mines. So
So how do Agrico go about ensuring that the mines where there are a lot of people who work and all that have the necessary safety, security, and all that while undertaking mining operations?
we are a engineering company. So we have a experienced team on board to design and give the engineered solution to mining industry, and our team follows all the safety practices which the globally is recommended to have the mining operations. So the team is our team is also working underground with all the norms prescribed by the DGMS. So we want people to be safe. There should not be any accident, and the operation should be more efficient, and to maximize the mines can maximize the productivity.
Okay. So how do you go about it? I mean, it's a huge logistical requirement for moving all these equipment and all that to the sites that are located in very remote
Yeah.
locations and all. How do you undertake that process?
So we are very well, spreaded within in India. So from north we have operations in near Delhi, and then we have depots in western part of India also. So and to serve the customers, so we are coming up few warehouses in the eastern part of India as well. From there we are moving our equipments, and so that we can make more movement of equipment logistically more more viable, and we can speed up the mobilizations to the site.
So how is I mean, mining is now just now opening up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then there are a lot more potential. The market is huge. What are your expansion plans like? I mean, for the Indian,
Right.
for India.
So we have started with a very small installation with one of the metal mining customer in Rajasthan. So from there we have increased to a very significant installation there. We started working with the smelters as well. We worked on their 2-3 mines. So now the plans are huge, looking at the to 2026 and years coming after. Companies putting a lot of investments, like we are opening up one manufacturing in India. So the investments are coming in to serve the mining sector customer. So the huge plans are there.
What are the challenges that you face?
So I think the most important challenge is to the convince the mining sector customer for the that this solution will help their workforce, and really these are solutions are available in the market. So this is the biggest challenge, is the awareness about the industry, that these solutions are available in India as well, and that can be mobilized quickly.
And I mean, for people who are in the mining sector, what you do, the kind of services that you provide, is that something that adds to the cost? So that is why there is a mindset over adoption for the kind of services that you provide.
So the cost is always there, but to offset that cost, you will get the productivity increase. So the production, if production is increasing by using some of the the solution which we are providing, so that offset the overall cost.
Right.
So I think people are adopting it. Mining industries already have adopted it. We worked with one of the government sector mines also in coal, and we work with the private sector players in of the mines. And so, the more technology is coming to India, so that will be good for the future of mining in India.
Is there any stipulation by the government that all the mining projects have to have something like that you provide as a service, so to ensure safety of the workers, because there are a large number of people who are underground working and all that, because something happens,
Correct.
it's going to be a huge disaster. Is there anything that the government is stipulating in those mining projects?
There are certain guidelines are there from the DGMS side to have a working environment, working temperature in underground mines. But sometimes that is, people take it, sometime because of the equipment unavailability or the practical challenges or the feasibility of having the cooling equipments are not there. So that is there, but maybe government will come up with better guidelines and clear guidelines to the mine operators to have such technology available for cooling their mines.
How competitive is the service that you provide? I mean, how competitive is the market? I mean, is there any local player who is providing such service?
So these are customized solutions.
Right.
So and customer can opt for a smallest unit possible, to start with, and these are very cost effective, and we can give them some on the trial basis as well to see the performance and whether they are getting the right output, or they are whatever they're paying is worth spending that money or not. And so it's very competitive, and I think it's a huge market, and people, since it's a capital investment industry, so local players also will come up after seeing our installation, but that is in future.
Thank you, Amit. Thanks for your time.
Thank you so much.